In front of me is OPPO Reno 4, and let me show you how to download Mozilla on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open Play Store. And then in the search area, enter Mozilla, mark it, and then click on install. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi and wait until it's done. It may take a couple of seconds, up to 1 minute, I guess. And as you can see, it has been done. You can smoothly open it by tapping on open. And now you can use your Mozilla, but you can also find the icon over here. So it is right now on your home screen. So that would be all. That's how you can download Mozilla. Obviously you can download any other app the same way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.